What is up, guys? Welcome back to a new episode of Absolute Rebuild. And as you can see, we got a ton of parts.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law.
Hey guys, we got the big package for the Jaguar XK. It's all from the UK, all shipped out on one pallet. We also got the tail lamps for the Jaguar, which are not from the UK, but partly from Holland. And we got parts for the big Chevy truck. Fortunately, we did receive the items today, so there's not enough time to make a video installing it on any of our builds. So we got another video coming up for you now. On today's video, we're going to do some maintenance on the engine of this Renault Twingo. So the first thing that we're going to do is drain the old oil, because the car is still hot, so the oil is nice and thin, so it will run out very easy. Okay guys, so now the first thing that we're going to do is put on the new oil filter. And what I always like to do is already fill the oil filter and put also a little bit oil around the seal, so it will seal good, and for the next time you want to remove the oil filter, it comes off easy. Okay guys, and always install a new brass ring. This will form the shape of the nut, so there won't be any leak. So if you use it twice, then there might be a chance that it will leak. Okay, so the old oil is drained. Now we're going to fill it up with brand new oil. Also change out the spark plugs and change out the air filter. Okay guys, so the oil has been changed, the spark plugs have been changed. Now the only thing that's left to do on a small maintenance job is replace the air filter. Okay guys, so we finished the complete maintenance. Now we're going to start up the car, see if she runs okay. Then we will mount the cover plate for underneath and then she's finished. That was it for today's video guys. If you're new to our channel and you like our videos, make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. Also make sure that your post notifications are on as well so you don't miss out on any videos of us. Hopefully see you guys in the next video.
Hope they won't shoot me down soon.